Hi, in this video, we'll introduce MenuBarcode, a platform that allows you to create an electronic menu with a unique QR code. With our platform, customers won't face any issues with ordering, and restaurant management won't have trouble responding to customer inquiries. When setting up a store on Instagram, for example, customers often come in and ask about the price, size, quantity, or color, making responding to all these inquiries challenging. However, by creating an electronic menu, customers can browse the entire menu and view add-ons, prices, and all the information they need to know. Besides being easy to browse, when they order from the menu, the order goes directly to WhatsApp, and we'll go over the process in detail in upcoming videos. In this video, we'll learn how to create an account on the MenuBarcode platform, which allows you to create an electronic menu, add available products, link the store to WhatsApp, and access many other features. From the homepage, in the menu here, we can click on Pricing to view the available subscription plans on the site. There will be monthly, yearly, and lifetime plans. You can browse the available plans here. If you want to choose a specific plan, choose Plan. The prices will be in dollars, so there's a dedicated section for converting. The amount from dollars to Saudi Riyal or Egyptian pounds, for example. If you want to see the prices in your local currency, you can enter the amount here. Select the currency you want to convert to. The amount will be converted automatically. From here, we can choose a specific plan for our account, or we can scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on Login or Register. A login window will appear. To create a new account, we'll click on Sign Up Now, and it will take us to this page where we can create a new account in two ways, either by directly registering using Google or by manually registering. I'll choose manual registration and we'll start by entering the full name, followed by the username, which should be in English. Try to choose an easy-to-remember username since we'll use it to log into our account. Next, we'll enter the email and password. Then click I am not a robot until the green checkmark appears. After that, we'll check the box for Agree to Terms and Conditions. Finally, click on Register. I'll be taken directly to the dashboard. This way, we've created a new account on the MenuBarcode platform. In the upcoming videos, we'll learn how to add a store, products, categories, and more. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to contact MenuBarcode support or leave your questions in the comments, and we'll gladly assist you. In this video, we will see how to adjust account settings. From the left menu, click Account Settings, and we'll be taken to this page. From here, we can add a profile picture by clicking Upload Avatar, which will then be displayed in this format. We can also edit the username and email address, or if we want to change the password, we can enter and re-enter the new password for confirmation, then click Save Changes. After that, the billing details will appear at the bottom of the page. These are the details that will be used on invoices and payments. First, we will select the type, whether personal or business. Next, we will enter the name and address details. Make sure to enter the address in full and specify the city, region, postal code, and country. Finally, we'll click Save Changes. That's it for the account settings. In this video, we will learn how to translate our store. From the left menu, click on My Stores. From there, we'll select Edit. Then, we'll scroll down a bit, and the store settings will appear. We can choose the store languages in addition to the default language. This means when the store has been opened for the first time. It will display in the selected default language. But before choosing a language, I'd like to clarify an important point. It is recommended to set the store language to one language initially. After completing the creation of the store and adding products, variants, and all store data, you can go to the store settings and select the desired languages from the Store Languages option. During the translation process, or when adding new languages, the entire store, including images and all data, will be copied from the first language to the selected languages. Therefore, it's recommended to have the store fully ready before starting the translation process. In this way, the new languages have been added, but the products will not translate automatically. Now let's proceed to see how to add product translations. From the My Stores page, we'll click on Menu, and a small icon will appear on the menu page. Clicking on it will show the languages we want to translate the store into. After preparing the store in English, if we want to translate it into Arabic, for example, we can select Arabic from the option here, and we'll see the page refresh. Now we'll begin translating the menu. By clicking on any category, we'll find the products we've added. As you can see, we have already translated one product. If we want to translate another product, we simply click on the edit icon and translate the details of the product, including the description. It's important not to forget to translate the category name. By clicking on the edit icon and translating the category name, quickly we'll translate the second category and its products. By quickly clicking the edit icon and translating the texts. Now let's go to the My Stores page, and from there, click on the preview icon to see how our store will look. Using the icon here, customers can switch between languages and choose their preferred language. As you can see, the products and categories are displayed in Arabic. In this way, we have successfully translated the store. In this video, we will learn how to create and edit a store. From the left menu, click Add Store to proceed to the next page. First, we'll choose the store's theme color and enter the store name. For example, I'll name my store Rania's Sweets, and then add a store URL ending, or slug. Writing the URL in English is very important, and it's best if it resembles the store name. For example, if my store's name is Rania's Sweets, we'll write the URL ending as Rania Sweets. This way, the store's URL will look more professional. Next, we'll add a tagline or a short description. After that, we'll add the store hours, or operating hours. If my store operates 24 hours, 7 days a week, we'll write it this way. If we operate on specific days and times, we can enter the operating hours in this field. In the next field, we will enter the phone number. Then we'll add a store description. Here we can write a detailed description of our offerings. We could talk about the quality of our products, for example, to attract customers to purchase or browse our menu. In the following field, we'll be asked to enter the store address in full. Next, we'll move to the image upload section. Here we can upload the store's logo and cover images. If we want to upload a logo image, we click Upload Image. The device's files will open, allowing us to select an image. We'll choose the image we want as the store logo, which will appear here in this format. Similarly, when we want to upload a cover image, we click Upload Image and select the desired image. Next, we'll select a store template from the options available. For example, we'll select this template. Finally, we'll click Save, and we'll be automatically taken to the My Stores page. As you can see, this is the store we just added. There are still a number of necessary settings that will only appear after adding a store. When editing the store, we'll find a set of buttons for each store. For example, here, we'll find the Menu button, the QR code button, the store preview, as well as options to edit the store, a button for WhatsApp integration, and a button to delete the store. To edit our store, we'll click on the Edit icon and be taken to this page. Initially, a list will be available for each store. This list includes a menu button, a QR code page button, a preview button, and a button to link the store with WhatsApp. If we want to switch to any of these pages, we can easily do so. Now let's click on the preview icon. As we can see, the store page has opened in a new window. We'll arrange these two pages so they are both visible on the screen to easily follow along with the settings. We'll refresh the store page to see the changes. When we scroll down on the store edit page, we'll find a set of settings, starting with store or restaurant settings. Here, we can select the store languages and set the default language for the store, but I'd like to clarify an important point. I'd like to discuss store languages. It is essential that when setting up our store, we initially chose only one language and began adding products, categories, sections, and images in that language. Then, we can go to the Store Languages section and select the languages into which we want to translate the store. This is the correct way to add the translations. I won't go into detail about translation now, as we have a video specifically covering how to translate menus, categories, and products. You'll find the video link in the description. But what I want you to know in this video is that we should initially select just one language to add categories, products, and everything we offer in our store. Next, we'll select the currency symbol. It's important to note that the symbol we choose should be among the recognized symbols for global currencies, consisting of 3 letters. In English, like the dollar symbol USD or the real symbol SAR. Next, we need to add the currency sign. You can add the currency sign as you prefer. It can be in your language or written as a mark. For example, the word dollar, or even a symbol from those shown on the screen. Next, I have the option to set the currency position. Here, I can choose whether I want the symbol to appear before or after the price. For example, let's look at the menu here where we see 40 with the dollar symbol on the left. We can decide whether we want the symbol before or after the price. Next, I have some optional choices that are often answered with yes or no, such as, do we allow switching between branches? If we've added more than one branch, do we allow customers to switch between branches when they access the store? The customer can choose the branch they wish to order from, or if we prefer, they can view products from only one branch. Of course, you make this choice. Next, we'll select the store's status, whether it is open or closed. Additionally, if we want to prevent orders when the store is closed, if my store accepts orders, whether open or closed, we'll leave this option as no. However, if the store is closed and we don't want to receive orders during that time, we'll set this option to yes. Next, we'll choose whether to display a label showing the store's status, whether it's open or closed. The label is a symbol or abbreviation indicating the store's status. Do we allow displaying the store status on the menu page, whether it's open or closed? After that, we'll decide whether to allow contacting the waiter, table orders, and pickup orders. Also, we will have the option to allow delivery orders. This means whether delivery services are available at my store, and the customer can place an order to be delivered to their home or workplace. With this option, if we select Yes, a new option will appear for delivery fees. Here we can set the delivery fees for orders. There is also a tax option where we can enter any applicable tax fees for orders in the designated field. Next, we choose if we want to receive a notification for each new order at the store. We can also enable automatic filling of customer information. Let me clarify this point in more detail. When ordering from any store, there will be a section dedicated to entering personal information, such as the name. There are some customers. Those who don't want to enter this information prefer to continue to WhatsApp to provide all the details. Enabling the automatic filling option for customer information will allow customers to skip filling in their details. They will proceed to the payment process, where information such as the name will be automatically filled with random names. As I mentioned, not everyone has the patience to fill out their information. Ultimately, it's up to you whether you want to enable this option in your store. Next, we have the option to send orders to each branch's WhatsApp number and to choose whether we allow online payment. If we select Yes, we'll see a variety of payment gateways appear. We can choose any of these gateways and activate it in the store, allowing customers to make payments online. That's everything regarding store settings. Now let's move on to learn about the welcome page settings. Shortly, we'll see how the welcome page looks. But first, let's go over some settings. The first option is whether we want to enable the welcome page in our store. We'll select Yes. Next, we'll choose whether we want the welcome page to pop up automatically when the page loads, displaying the welcome page when opening the store. After that, I'll have the option to change the title of the welcome page. If I leave this option blank, the store name will be displayed, but I can enter, for example, Welcome to Rania's. Next, we'll set the text that will appear on the Permanently Stop Displaying the Page button. For instance, we can change the text here to say, Don't show this window again. If you feel a bit confused or are unsure about the options I'm talking about, just wait less than a minute, and we'll see a practical demonstration of the options we discussed. Next, I'll have the option to change the welcome page logo. Here, I can upload a new logo and cover image specifically for the welcome page. For example, I'd like to clarify here that if we leave some information blank, the default store information will be used instead. For instance, the welcome page logo or cover image, if we don't upload images for these settings, the store's primary logo and cover image will be used. This also applies to the page title and description currently displayed on the screen. We'll scroll to the bottom of this page and click Save, then go to the store page and refresh it. As we can see, the welcome page appears this way. We notice the background of the box. Here, it is black, so we'll go to the color settings. As we can see here, we can adjust the colors of everything. We'll change the black color to a lighter shade. To make the text more straightforward, we'll adjust it like this. Similarly, we'll click Save and go back to the store page. Here, we'll find the welcome page title we wrote earlier, which is Welcome to Rania's Store. Along with the text, we changed it to Don't show this window again. As I mentioned, there will be color options as we scroll down, allowing us to control the colors of the welcome page and customize our own style. After the color options, there will be some yes or no choices, such as allowing language switching on the welcome page. As you can see, the language switch icon is here. We can decide whether we want this icon to be displayed. The language switch icon is here, and we can choose whether we want this icon to appear. Next, we'll choose if we want to display a background image on the welcome page. along with the logo image. For example, if you prefer, the welcome page can be displayed without a logo, cover image, or something similar. From here, we can also choose to display the title, description, and store hours on the welcome page. We can control whether to show or hide this information and choose whether to display social media buttons on the welcome page. Soon, we'll cover how to add the store's social media accounts. But the critical option here is whether we want these buttons to appear on the welcome page, as well as the option to enable branch switching on the welcome page. This feature allows customers to switch between branches. Do we want this option to be visible? We will also go over adding branches later, but generally, when we add branches, there will be an option that allows the customer to switch between branches. Do we want this option to appear? Additionally, there are options for displaying links on the welcome page and showing the Continue to Menu button. As you can see, it currently appears in pink. With these settings, we can choose to show or hide this button on the welcome page. We can also control the Never Show It Again button. We changed its text to Don't Show This Window Again. If we don't want it to appear on the welcome page, we can hide it. Finally, I have the option to display the store status label, indicating whether the store is open or closed on the welcome page, and we'll select Yes. In this way, we have reviewed the welcome page settings. We'll click Save to apply the settings we've chosen. Let's go to the store page and refresh it. As we can see, we'll notice some changes, the first of which is the store status label. As you can see, it appears as Open, and if I had set the store status to Closed, it would display as Closed here. Now, when clicking Continue to Menu, the menu will appear like this. Let's move on to the settings for social media links. Here we can add our accounts on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. We'll add links to see how they appear on the welcome page and the store. If there is a specific account or website you want to appear on the store or welcome page, you'll find the More Links section. The great thing about this section is that it allows us to add various links. For example, if we want to add a link to the store's website, we'll first enter the link name, which can be called Website. Then, we'll add our link. From here, we can add 5 additional links alongside the social media links we saw above. After adding the links, we'll click Save, go to the store page and refresh it. As we can see, the social media accounts we added now appear on the welcome page and the website link we added. We have a button that appears like this. If I want to change the background color of this button, we can quickly adjust the colors for the buttons and other elements through the options available on the welcome page. After completing the adjustments, we'll click Save and refresh the page. As you can see, the button color has been changed, and it now appears like this. Now, I'll make a few quick changes to demonstrate the settings. From the welcome page, we'll click Go to Menu, and here we can see that the social media links have been added in this way, and they will appear based on the template we choose. Let's move on to the last section, the branch link settings. The purpose of these links is that they will appear as an option for switching between branches, and we'll see how they appear shortly. I'd like to clarify that we can add information for up to 10 branches. All we need to do is enter the branch name. For example, we'll add the Toronto branch and enter the branch address. The address refers to the address here, which should not be text but a link. We can add a link to the branch website or the location of this branch on the map. It's important to ensure the branch address is a link, not plain text. For example, we'll add the store's link on Google Maps. Click Save, then refresh the store page. we'll see that a new section has appeared called Branches, and through this option, customers can switch between the branches. If we have added more than one branch, when they click on the arrow here, a drop-down menu will appear containing all the branches we've added. Similarly, when clicking Continue to Menu, the Branches section will appear this way. Follow the video to the end. We'll show you a restaurant menu that includes multiple branches, and we'll see the details as well. Now let's move on to the final section of the settings, which is adding custom codes. Here we can add custom codes related to Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or even if we want to add animations to the store or specific features. We can add code snippets like CSS and JavaScript and custom code to the header, footer, and so on. This section is intended for those with coding experience. In this way, we've covered adding and editing a store. At the end of this video, I'd like to take you on a quick tour of a store we previously set up, organized with all the details, to show you the features our system can offer your store. By clicking on Preview, we'll first see the Welcome page, where the social media accounts are displayed in this format. Scrolling down a bit, we'll find the Branches section, where customers can select the branch. We added a set of buttons, such as the Location button. By clicking on Continue to Menu, the menu will appear in this format. That's everything for this video. If you have any questions or inquiries, or if something is unclear, you can certainly reach out to the platform's technical support, or post your questions in the comments section below this video, and we'll be delighted to respond. One of the features of the MenuBarcode platform is that we can link the store to WhatsApp. From the left menu, click on My Stores, and options for each store will appear. We'll click on the WhatsApp icon and be taken to this page. From here, we can enable WhatsApp messaging for our store and turn this service on or off. Next, we'll enter the WhatsApp number from which we'd like to receive orders. If we have more than one branch with the same menu items and we don't need to create a separate store for each branch, we can use these fields to add WhatsApp numbers for each branch in these fields. We can enter the number for each branch so the user can select the desired branch he would like to order from. Next, we'll have the WhatsApp message form. We'll use this form to automatically send a message when a customer orders from the store. An important note is that we'll find the last line in the current message, which is for reordering. It's essential to delete the existing link and add our store link. If we want to modify the message, we can easily edit it. This is why MenuBarcode has added shortcodes. You can use these shortcodes to format the WhatsApp message in your preferred way if you want to customize the message. Finally, we'll click Save. In this video, we'll see how to create a QR code for our store. From the left menu, we'll click on My Stores. From the store options, we'll click the QR code icon and be taken to this page. As you can see, the QR code is on the right. The idea of this code is that, for example, if we have a restaurant, instead of printing the menu and placing it on tables, we can create an electronic menu and print the QR code for this menu to place it on each table. So, if someone wants to view the menu quickly, they can scan this code using their phone, and the electronic menu will open on their device, allowing the customer to browse and add items to the cart, order directly from the menu, and complete the payment if we have enabled the option for table ordering. This is the idea of the QR code. From here, we have options to customize this QR code. We can change the colors, adjust the padding, or modify the corner radius or position. We can choose whether to add text or an image to the QR code or leave it plain without any images or text through the Mode option. The most common and well-known option is to leave it plain without text or images. If we choose to add text, we can select the desired text, then choose the text color and size. Similarly, we can choose the size and so on for the image. I'll leave it plain. Click Save Settings and download the QR code by clicking Download. From the left menu, click on Membership, and as we can see, my plan is a trial plan that lasts 7 days. Of course, anyone who creates a new account without purchasing a plan initially will have the free plan applied to their account after 7 days of the trial plan. If you wish to change or upgrade the plan, click on Upgrade Plan and we'll be taken to this page. We can choose whether we want a monthly, yearly, or lifetime subscription. Click on Choose Plan to change or upgrade your current plan and continue with the payment. If we want to link our store to any of the payment gateways, we can easily do that on the MenuBarcode platform. From the left menu, click on My Stores, and from our store, click Edit. Then scroll down slightly to find the store settings. From the store or restaurant settings, at the bottom of the page, we'll see the option Allow Online Payment. By selecting Yes for this option, a variety of payment gateways will appear. We can choose and activate any of them. If we click on a payment method, the steps required to activate it in our store will be displayed. Contact the payment gateway provider to get your credentials and more details. In this video, we'll learn how to add categories and products. From the left menu, click My Stores, which will display all the stores we've added and allow us to select options. We'll click on Menu to add categories and products. First, we'll add a category. The idea of a category is to organize products, making it a classification for products. For example, if my restaurant offers fast food, I could have a burger category, a pizza category, an appetizers category, and a drinks category. By clicking on Add Category, a window will appear. Enter the category name, such as baklava, and then click Save. The category has been added. Here, some options will appear, including Add Subcategory. The concept of a subcategory is for more detailed classification. For example, if we have drinks as a main category, we could have subcategories like hot drinks, cold drinks, and so on. Subcategories can be used to organize and arrange the menu, making it easier to access products. This is how we organize our products. We can add items or dishes to our category by clicking on the Add icon here. First, it will ask us for the product name. We'll enter baklava. Then, it will prompt us to enter a description. We can write a simple, appealing description encouraging customers to order this item. Next, we'll set the price for this product and select whether this product is vegetarian or non-vegetarian. I will also have a significant option, the allergy option, where certain ingredients such as milk, eggs, fish, wheat, and others will be displayed. The purpose of listing these ingredients is that some people may have allergies to them. Since we want everyone to eat what suits them, we need to specify whether each product contains any of these ingredients, so that customers are aware when ordering from our restaurant. This allows the customer to know if a dish contains specific ingredients like nuts or milk, so they won't order it if they have an allergy. Therefore, this is an important option, and we should always carefully specify the ingredients that may cause allergies. Next, we'll attach an image of the product by clicking on Upload Image, which will open the device files, allowing us to select a product image. Finally, we'll click Save. In this way, we've added a product to this category. As you can see, clicking on the category name will reveal the products available in it. Now we'll add another product by clicking on the Add icon. In the same way, we'll enter the name and description of this product, set the price. Select whether this product is vegetarian or non-vegetarian, along with specifying any allergy ingredients in this product. Next, we'll upload an image of the product by clicking on Upload Image and selecting the desired image. And finally, we'll click Save. As you can see, we've added 2 products in this way. Now, we'll add another category by clicking Add Category. We'll add, for example, the category Mamoul, since our store specializes in Middle Eastern sweets. The category will appear like this, and we'll click the Add icon to add a new product. In the same way, we'll enter the name and description and set the price, then select whether it's vegetarian or non-vegetarian and specify any allergens. We'll also upload a product image and click Save. This way, we've added a new product in the second category. In this category, there's a great feature called Reorder. If we want to change the arrangement of products in our store, I can easily use the Reorder icon here to move the product and adjust its position. The benefit of this option is that if certain popular products are present, we can always place them at the top of the menu. Since frequently ordered products are often well-liked, many new visitors to our store may see this product and decide to order it. We can also use this feature to move the product and arrange the menu. The category will appear like this. Within categories, we'll also find the Reorder icon. This allows us to rearrange the categories, like placing the Mamoul category before baklava. We can do this very quickly. The platform also allows us to easily move any product to a different category. For example, if we want to move the assorted Mamoul product to another category, we can simply click on the Edit icon here, and at the end of the options, we will see the Edit category option. All the categories we've added to our menu will appear when we click on it. We'll select the category to which we want to move this product, then click Save. As you can see, the product in the Mamoul category has been moved to the baklava category. In this way, we've added 2 categories containing 3 items. In a previous video, we learned how to add products and categories. In this video, we'll explore how to add variations or extras for each product. From the left menu, we'll click on My Stores or My Restaurant, and then select Menu from the available options. When we click on each category, the products within it will appear, and we'll see this icon representing extras and variations. By clicking on it, we'll be taken to this page, which has 3 sections: Variation Options, Variations, and Extras. We'll start with Variation Options by clicking Add here, and this window will appear. First, we'll enter the title. Depending on our store's products, we might add size, color, or another variation. For instance, we'll add size in the field, and in the second field, we'll write the options for this variation. Since I chose size as the variation, we'll enter the options small, medium, and large, but it's essential to separate these options with a comma in English. Finally, they'll appear in this format, and we'll click Save. When we click Variation Options, we'll find the variation we added. If we want, we can easily click on the Add icon to add another variation. Then, we'll go to the Variations section and click the Add icon to add the options. From here, we'll set the price for each size. Or, if you've added color options and each color has a different price, we can similarly set the prices for colors. Here, we'll set the price for the small size and then click Save. Next, we'll click the Add icon again to select the medium size and set the price as well. In this way, we've added the prices for the existing variations. If we want to adjust the prices, we can easily click on Variations, select the variation for which we want to change the price, and edit it as we like. As you can see on the screen, these prices were added only for demonstration purposes. However, when you start adding products and variations, Choosing the price is entirely up to you. Now we'll move to the Extras section. We'll click on the Add icon. The idea of this section is, for example, if I'm offering a fish dish, we can add the extra items that the customer might request with this dish, such as specific types of rice, certain vegetables, or a particular sauce. Since I'm adding desserts, I'll enter syrup here. Then set its price and click Save. We've now added the products, extras, and variations. Now, by going to the My Stores page and selecting the store we added, we'll click on the Eye icon, which is the preview icon, to see what the store setup looks like so far. We'll find the products we added as we scroll down a bit. Now if we click on Add, the variations and extras will appear, such as size, small, medium, and large. The price will automatically adjust when selecting any of them. In this video, we'll learn how to receive orders. Through the left menu, click on Orders, and we'll be taken to this page. Here, we can view all orders. We have an option that allows us to switch between stores. This means that if we've added more than one store, we can navigate between stores and view the orders for each store. I'll also see the table number if I enable the table ordering option, price, order status, and order date and time. Through the Status option, when we click on it or hover over it, the status of the order will show as pending. We'll also have three icons. An icon to view the order, and by clicking on it, we'll see the order details or the invoice, as you can see. Next, there's the Delete icon, in case we want to delete the order, and also the Order Completion icon. When clicked, a confirmation message will appear. Are you sure? When we click OK, the order status will change to Completed. This means the order has been completed and delivered to the customer. We'll also have an icon for sound or notifications. Clicking on it will turn off notifications. This means we won't receive a notification for new orders. Clicking on it again will turn on notifications. It's recommended to keep this option enabled so we get an audio alert when any new order arrives.